Hey, what's up guys, Fazman here. In this video I am going to show you how to live stream to multiple platforms at the same time. And that means you can go live on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitch in a really easy way. We will be using Melon today. It runs in a web browser, so you don't have to install any applications. There is a link to Melon in the description below this video. Let's jump into the Melon live streaming studio. Here we are inside the Melon live streaming studio and there is currently nothing on the stream. I have my webcam here in the top left corner, and if I want to add my webcam to the stream, all I have to do is click show on stream. With this setup, we are currently ready to go live. But there is one thing that we should check before we go, and that is that our microphone is working. If I go down to the microphone options, I can see that my voice is coming through. On the canvas, you will also see a way to share the screen, view chat and edit your screen sharing. The screen allows you to share whatever is on your computer. You can choose to share your full screen, a specific application, or a specific tab in your internet browser. You can click on the chat bubble. There is an option to see the private chat, which is just between you and the folks on the call, and stream chat. Lastly, to personalize the stream, click on the edit screen. You can change the background, ticker, banner and add your own logo and more. You can always edit the screen even while the broadcast is live. You can change your background, edit your news sticker, update your title. Anything you wish to change can be dynamically updated while you are live. When you are finally ready to go live, click on go live, and when I click go live, it's going to ask me which platforms I want to stream to. You can stream to YouTube, Facebook, Twitch and LinkedIn. You can even stream your personal website via custom RTMP stream. Streaming to multiple platforms at once is a great way to grow your audience and expand your reach, so make sure you give it a try. So let's set this up for streaming to YouTube and Facebook. On YouTube, I can choose the visibility. I can make it public, private or unlisted. On Facebook, the choices are a little bit different here. I can choose to stream to my profile or to the pages that I manage. After we selected the visibility, click on the little plus button next to YouTube and the little plus button next to Facebook, and we are ready to go. So I am going to click next right here, and in this dialog box I would put in the title and the description of my stream. And as soon as I go live, I am going to go live on YouTube and Facebook with that title and description. So that's the easiest way to go live on multiple platforms. The second way is that you schedule your stream instead, because you want to get your audience excited about your content ahead of time, and this is really easy to do in Melon as well. All you have to do is go to the schedule button down here and click the schedule plus. You can choose all the streaming services that you want to stream to. Let's stay with YouTube and Facebook for this one, and when I click next, there is one more choice. I have to put in the time and date that I actually want to schedule for. One of the additional benefits of scheduling is that you can actually add a custom thumbnail. You can add a custom thumbnail to get your audience not only excited about your stream, but also give them some information about what is it actually going to be about. Once you got all of that set up, all you have to do is schedule, and it's going to create a YouTube schedule stream and a Facebook schedule stream without you having to do anything more. If you want to try Melon for yourself, please use the link in the description below. So give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.